Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's liqueur series, we're going to be exploring Nocello and their walnut liqueur. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our reviews. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit about this wonderful little liqueur we've got going on here?
Beautiful Nocello here from Italy. It's got this cool walnut cork if you want to use it. I haven't used it because I figured, why the hell? Why would I bother? Anyway, it's cool. It looks like a little funny apparatus there. So this is a walnut liqueur. So it's 48 proof. It's made of walnuts and hazelnuts produced in monasteries since the Middle Ages. The Romans said the walnut was like the human head, and the outside is like your head. The inside of it's like your brain. So, hey, cool, whatever. All right. They said the superstition is that these nuts had to be picked on the midsummer's day. Otherwise, bad luck. Sure, whatever. So anyway, the nuts and then the shells, they're deshelled. Then the nuts and the shells are put in an oak cask for 2 years and with the grain neutral spirits, then taken out, redistilled, and add some spices, herbs, and some caramel coloring is added. So very interesting, very excited. All right, let's see what we think.
That's an interesting process that they redistill it after.
Yeah, which I think from some of the other liqueurs we've seen, they've done the same thing. They redistill it after it sits in the barrel.
Yeah.
And they add their herbs and spices and whatnot to it. All right, so let's see here. It was like
so nutty.
Walnuts, hazelnuts, vanilla, a little bit of coffee.
Yeah, it's not espresso, but it's when you open up that fresh tub of
exactly.
Folgers original,
I would even say it's even a mocha.
Yeah, there's a chocolatiness in there as well.
It smells really good.
It smells very sweet.
Yes. Oh, I have no doubt this is full of sugar. No doubt. It smells amazing. If you like sugar, you'll love this.
Yeah. This smells like something that I could see myself adding to coffee.
Mm-hmm. It's very common to be added to coffees. It's nice and oily and clingy, and Will hates it. Not a surprise. But yeah, walnuts, hazelnuts, vanilla. What's anything that's got that coffee and that mocha, milk chocolate. I really like it. I think it's excellent. But if you hate sweet things, you're going to hate this just based on Will's face, which I knew this before we filmed this. He would not like it. But hey, I really love this stuff. I think it's great. But yeah, if you like coffee, you like nutty stuff, you like Frangelico, Amaretto, things like, you're going to love this. It's quite tasty. They've been making this for, damn near 1,000 years. It's freaking delicious.
I understand why people love this flavor. And
so good.
If I'd liked my coffee, other than just black, this would be like a drop of this would be enough to sweeten up, a coffee for me.
Oh yeah. I mean, if use this in lieu of creamer, add it with creamer, whatever. It also makes really good cocktails with cream in them. Like toast, you can use to substitute this out for like a toasted almond. That'd be amazing in one of those. It's quite good though. I really enjoy this stuff.
Yeah. I can understand it.
White Russian would be good to substitute into. I think it'd be fun.
Yeah. It is a little sweet for my palate, but again,
not a surprise.
Yeah, my palate's not everyone's palate. That's for sure.
Nope. All right.
What's our price point on this guy, Matt?
Like $22.
Okay.
It's cheap. Yeah.
I mean, even if you're going to add it as just a coffee additive, that's a pretty solid price point for
exactly.
All right. Cool. All right. Well, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our reviews. Until next time, keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers.